You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Round the corner, not far away, what is being found today?
Oh, there's something on my pens, Flop.
Ah. You found a balloon.
Silly Flop. That's not a balloon. Balloons are big.
Sure, but balloons start small. It'll need some before it gets bigger.
Flop, it won't work.
Okay. Up. It still needs a knot. There it goes.
Where's it gone, Flop? Aha, balloon. Can you make it big so I can keep it?
Sure. If you wait for me to tie the knot, then it'll stay big.
Oh, he's saying hello.
How about a face? Oh, that's a lovely smile.
Hello.
Hello, balloon.
He's talking to me.
Easy, Bing. He might go pop.
But Balloon likes it.
Oh, that'll be Emma. Here to pick you up, Sula.
Oh, I don't want you to go home. I don't want to go home, Bing. Let's hide.
Hello, Emma.
Hello? Is Sula ready to come home?
Well...
Oh, what have you done with those monkeys?
They were here.
Sula's sparkly shoe. They must be here somewhere. Found you!
She's looking in the cupboard.
What a shame they're not here. I made Sula's favourite easy peasy cheesy spaghetti.
Oh.
But I'll just have to eat it all myself.
I love easy peasy cheesy sketty.
Ooh, Sula! Sula, come here. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Whoa!
Bing, you cheeky bunny. All right, put your hands in the air if you've had lots of fun today. And now keep those hands in the air and wave goodbye.
Aww.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I don't want to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye.
All right, how about a bit more time?
Yay!
While we all tidy up the room.
Oh, okay.
I'll count backwards while we all tidy up. And when I get to 0, then it's time for Sula to come home. Ready? 10, piccalilli. 9, piccalilli.
Oh, it works. Holly still works for jumping, Coco.
So it does.
Jumper, jumper. You try it, Coco. Okay. Jumper, jumper, jumper. Oh, I can do it really fast.
Quality jumping, Coco. How about this?
Oh, Flop, it's a skipping hoop. You're a good skipper, Flop.
Why don't we all have a try?
You can do it first, Coco. Thanks, Bing.
Good for you, Bing Bunny.
Skipper, 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 skipper. I did good skipping. I did like doing hulas, but I loved the skipping hoop and the jumping hoop.
Yes, Charlie, and the tunnel hoop.
Come on, Charlie. First, you stand like this. Then, you spin the hoop and do this. Hula, 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 hula. Hula, 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 hula. Dip,
Dip.
drip.
Uh-huh. And gently blow all your breath into the bubble. Gently does it, Bing. Just your gentle breath. Oh,
Look! I did it!
good for you, Bing Bunny.
Zoop! Panto!
Oh, Pando.
What? It was my bubble! And I wanted to pop it. Oh.
Yes, popping the bubbles is part of the fun. Let's save up that breath for blowing more bubbles, Bing.
Okay. And this time, don't pop it, Pando. Okay. Dip. I'll show you. I can do it. Oh. Whoa! Look! Oh, I made lots of bubbles. How do you do that? I don't know. I just waved it and then they came out.
You've invented your own Bing way of making bubbles.
Bing bubbles. Zup. Bing bubbles. Show me. Okay, like this. You have to dip, drip, and whoosh. You're the bubble master.
Oh.
I'm a bubble master. Me too. I'm a bubble master.
Oh, this is nice.
Bubbles! Oh, come on, Big. Bubbles!
Okay, let's go,
Go! Oh, where's all the people? Flop, look!
Oh, dear.
Oh, no. Where's the water?
Well, it seems the pool hasn't been filled up.
Oh, now we can't play in the water. We can't do anything. I was going to wear my goggles in the water. It's no fun now.
Oh. Are you sure? The water's not here today. But the pool is.
Bing, you can't play with the ball in the paddling pool. It's splashy. But there isn't any water.
Yep. You can't splash if there isn't any water.
Oh, yes. What about running, Flop?
Yes, you can't slip if there isn't any water. Bing, catch!
Catch! I got it. Is it picnic time?
Yep.
Can we have our picnic in the pool? Because there's no water and it won't go bleh.
Good idea, Sula.
I love the puzzling pool with no water. It's even funner.
Well, lucky we came on no water day. Now, who wants a sandwich?
I do! Yum, yum.
Aichi.
Oh, I really, really like this one. But it doesn't have sparkle magic on it. You have to make it sparkle magic. I'll show you, Bing. This is the sparkle magic.
Wow.
Can I do it? Please, Sula. Careful, Bing. This is so magic. Oh, okay. Rub the sparkles on the stone. Look, Flop. I'm making my own sparkle magic.
Oh, Aichi.
My sparkle magic's gone.
Oh, all the magic in the world can't hold a sneeze in when it wants to come out.
Sorry, Sula. I forgot to catch my sneeze. And it was my most specialist sparkle. Flop, the sparkle magic's all gone.
Gone? Where?
Look, Flop. My stone's sparkle magic all over. Look. Sula. Oh. Look. My arm's sparkle magic too. And even mine are. Now you're sparkly. You can do your own magic, Bing. Flop. Now I can turn you into a frog. Whoosh!
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Look, we're all magic.
Fairy Queen.
And Fairy King.
Fairy dance, fairy sing.
Making sparkle magic. It's a big thing.
Now the whole world sparkle magic. Whoosh! Sandpit! Sandpit! Excavator! Shovel digger! Pando, stop it! What? Don't shovel sand in my hole. We need room for the tree. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, Flop. Oh, I shoveled your sand bunny all flat.
yep, you did. I tell you what, Pando, if you shovel me some of your sand here, I can do another one.
Oh, okay. Pando, don't put sand in my hole. I'm a shovel digger. I'm supposed to shovel sand.
Are we ready to plant that tree?
Not yet. My hole's not finished. My pile's not finished yet either.
Okay, then.
Oh, finished!
Good for you, Big Bunny. Thank you. Okay.
Come on, Alberty.
Bye-bye.
Whoosh! Can I play with your phone, Flop?
Sure.
Thank you.
What would you like to play?
Hobbit's Letters game. That's my favourite.
Oh, yes. That's a good one.
Hello. Say something to Lettuce, Flop.
Hello, Lettuce.
You have to get close, Flop, and talk here.
Whoa. That was close. You have to be careful with phones, Bing.
Okay, sorry. Say something to Lettuce now.
Hello, Lettuce.
Hello, lettuce.
Ah, here you go.
Oh, come and say hello to Chicky Timer. Let's say hello to Growly Bin.
Right, Ping. Let's take this washing upstairs.
Me and Lettuce want to play with Hoppity.
OK. Just remember, no whooshing with the phone.
Silly Flop. Only me and Hoppity do whooshing.
OK.
Say hello to Lettuce, Hoppity. Hello, Lettuce.
Hello, Lettuce.
Come on, Hoppity. Come on, Lettuce.
Come on, Hoppy. Come on, Lettuce.
Whoosh!
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.